Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you that how you can book complete body checkup with your mobile phone online, and the person will come to collect blood sample at your home, and the complete body checkup will be done, which will include more than 90 tests, and at a minimal price. It will range from 1500 to 2000 depending on the location. So in order to book this comprehensive full body checkup test, you need to download Healthians app. So I've already downloaded Healthians app. It is available for both Android users as well as iPhone users or iOS users, so you can download it from the Play Store or App Store. So I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to open the app and I'll tell you that which package or which test you need to select, which will cover this whole lot of comprehensive test for your complete body. So once you open the app, it will ask you to log in or sign up. I'll skip this just for this demo purpose, but you need to log in or sign up to book the test at your home location. So I wanted to show the test name, which test name you want to search for. So you need to search for basic screening. Let me write down here: basic screening package 4.0. So once you see this test, basic screening package 4.0, so you will be able to see different tests here. So if you click here, basic screening package 4.0 test, so you will be able to see all the tests that it says that the price is 1699 rupees. And if I click on the details section, so you will be able to see 87 tests, which covers lipid profile, your liver function test, CBC, thyroid function, kidney function, then urine test is also covered, your sugar test like HbA1c, your iron profile, RA factor, your CRP, blood glucose, HSCRP, your allergy test which is IG test, then multiple vitamins like vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, everything is covered in this test. So this is the cost, 1699, and the location, this was for Delhi location. If I change the location, the price can be 1899 or it could be 1499. So it varies depending on location to location, but the price remains within 1400 to 2000 rupees. So this is, again, it's a economical package. It's not much higher, it's not too much high, and it covers whole lot of tests to be done on your body. So as I was saying, that in order to book that, you just need to select this basic screening 4.0 package. So once you select that, after that you have already seen the details like what all tests it covers. You need to add it to your cart. So in order to add it to your cart, you need to log in or sign up, and then it will ask the basic details like your name, address, so that the person from the Healthians lab can come up to your location and collect the sample, and the report is generally available within 24 to 48 hours, and that is also a good thing. And if I show you about the locations also, like in what all location Healthians facilities available, so you can see here there is a list of cities: Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. I mean, there are a lot of cities available, even tier 1 and tier 2, or they have covered many cities, and in many of the cities Healthian facilities available. So you can go ahead, select your city, choose the package basic screening package 4.0, and you can go ahead for this test. I hope this information is helpful to you. That's what I wanted to share with you. Do share it with others, and thank you for watching.